so sick, my
For spring into summer festival.
using my face, going skibbles.
Packing ahead.
What I said now.
Bye bye, baby. Did you tie? Say hi.
Just hold on, Lorna. Just hold on like this.
You say hi.
Is this all they're doing?
Bye bye, Ashley, Loreline. See you soon.
She does.
I'm sick. I'm going to sick. No. Bye bye, baby. Hopefully, Loreline fine. Bye bye, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh, they cannot go together, three. See you soon. Bye bye. I have to follow Ashley. It is a heart. Ashley. Where's Crazy? Crazy. Where's Crazy? Turn. Oh, that's Ashley.
She's so tiny.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
You want ice cream?
Let's go.
Scavenging for my class.
Yeah, I saw. Bye bye.
Go, babe.
Hazy, Bella, Ashley. Bye bye. See you soon. Baby, how was it? You like it?
Again. But whenever I come back in, we'll show them.
How's it?
Harder. And that's how we're going to do the board, okay? We're gonna do this for real. Kentucky's gonna go crazy for you. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest member of the Ninja Experience, the Hudson Hornet! Right there. Y'all want to see Hobby Break 2 boys?
Yeah!
Same time, okay. All right. Are you ready?
Oh, you're gonna jump. Whoa!
Determine who wins, but we're not done there yet. No, I'm gonna let these guys loose one more time for what we call a flipaganza. That's where I set them loose all over the stage and maybe in front of your faces, going crazy. Flip, 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 faganza. That's not to the end. Now, Vern manages to muscle up, headbutt, slap, punch, or kick those balls in any way, shape, or form. I want you all to make a little extra noise. Sound good?
Put down.
All right, now you'll notice in the back here on this back set of obstacles, looks like we're missing one, right? Well, that is the obstacle. He must jump an 8-foot gap, bar to bar, and hopefully making it to the end. I think that's it. He's zoning in. But we always got to give it because we got it. So let's get a huge round of applause for the 15-foot warp wall! All right, that's it. Vern, be safe. Enjoy yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, here he is. Vertical. Vern! Finishing the front set of obstacles, Kentucky, let him hear ya! And now, the moment of truth. Many ninjas have fallen on this. An 8-foot gap needed to release and regrab perfectly. Building his momentum. Let's see if he can do it. Onto the wobble board. Finishing the hanging course with ease. Beat back. 15 feet into the air. The man hiding all of his hair. Ladies and gentlemen, vertical bird. This is the Ninja Experience. You guys came for the danger. You don't want to see me wear this glove, do you? Nope, sure don't. And you probably don't want me wearing these safeties. Extra strong down here, so I'm gonna try to do this on the first try. If I do this on the first try on the beat drop, you guys need to get as loud as you possibly can. Please allow me time to focus.
Wow, that is hard. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh my God!
He was right. I don't know, the sun's got me all week.
Wow.
One more big round of applause for the 1-inch punch. Anybody else see the stars right
You guys want to go stand the shade? You want to go stand the shade? You want to go stand the shade?
All right, by a show of round of applause, we must know who is the better ninja out here today. Was it the guy showcasing the bow staff, the big back flip, and of course dominating the course, vertical bird? All right. Was it the nunchuck swinging, kid flipping, double board breaking, hobby swelling? All right. Well, boys, there's only be one winner. The audience has decided that their champion is. All I do is hobby swelling! show, or is that how you end the show? One more big round of applause for our amazing athletes out here today. Well, that is it for us here at the Ninja Experience Show. Hope y'all have enjoyed the show today as much as we have enjoyed putting it on for you. Feel free to check us out online on all social media under The Ninja Experience. Share any videos or photos you've taken today. We would love to see them. For those of you that would like to break a board for only $5 to cover the board costs, that'll be taking place right now. We do that after the show. Guys, remember one thing. That's Javi Suave. That's Vertigo Burns. And I'm Real Ninja Nick. Till 4:45. We'll see you.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.